Right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the video where we will trade and simulate gold in order to practice more, gain more experience before going live. So, welcome to the journey. We have 3 subscribers today, so you guys are welcome. And let's go. And today we will choose a random date. So, opa, wait 1 second, sorry. Yeah, I'm here. All right, get a random date. So 12. Let's see if I did this date before. Yes, I did that date before. Let's try again. 19. No. All right, so 19.5. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. 19.5. So new simulation. Restore last. 19.05. 05. And we want. Should we trade JPP JPY? Well, let's do that this time. Okay. Okay, let's do that. 1905. Okay, let's go. Yeah, start simulation. Okay. So I went through. We did already 10 sessions. Maybe I didn't upload all the videos of the 10 sessions, but we did 10 sessions. And I spent the last 2 days writing notes, going through my screenshots like I showed you in the last video, and to try to learn more and to do less mistakes, basically, right? So hopefully this time it gets better. Hopefully this time we do less mistakes and more wins. So welcome to the journey. Let's go. So first we go pre-New York, London session, and we're trading JPP, JPY. Okay, I'll just try to think out loud. I'll just be thinking out loud. So it's going up. For me, what I see is that it did not break this yet, so it looks like we're still on an uptrend. We will look for supports and resistance on the 1 hour in order to take a trade, but this looks a bit messy here. It confuses me a bit, this gap, but let's see. Let me know if the voice is better this time. Let's go to 30 minutes. Let's do this. Okay, we're reaching a support here, and sorry, a resistance here and a support there. And the price previously broke this. So on the 30 minutes, it looks like it's doing lower lows, right? Broke, let's retest, should come down. Maybe if it is a red candle here, I could take a sell, but there is something there, so we need to look closely. Let's speed this up a bit. Okay. Yeah. It's rejecting the resistance, which makes sense, which before was a support and it was broken. So on the 15 minutes, it looks like we could take a sell, right? 135, 130 is like 1 to 1. Yeah, we could take a 0.5%. We could trade a 0.5%. Just because there is a halfway support here. But if we believe it's going down, can actually do more, but let's start with 0.5% for now. Yeah. Let's see. So the 30 minutes is closed and looks bearish, and our stop loss is at the right place. I think we can add also the missing 0.5% if, let's say, this goes up and then flips back down. Maybe I could do that. Let's see. If we get a chance, of course. Then let's stay. Yeah, let's say at 30 minutes. Yeah. If it breaks its own low, I'm going in. So what we'll do now, wait. Let's do it, make it slow. I'll check if it's breaking your own low or not. Yo, that was fast. We will add our second sell, yes, right there, and take profit. I don't know, anywhere, right there. Accept, and also, so yeah, we're 1% now. Yeah. Okay, let's play that. Let's speed it up. 15 minutes. That's closed, bearish. Okay, that's going in our favor. Still, we need to cross this. Wait, yeah. Our trades. So we're about less than a percent. I still believe we should go down because it was a downward trend. But it's rejecting. Let's see if it will close right there or what. We're still 5 minutes in. Okay. Okay, that's not good. That is not good. If it breaks this high, I'm closing 50%. We were already winning 1%. Okay. We need to manage risk. Let's close 50% of this. Yeah, we got stopped out. And let's close 50% of the other one as well. So yeah, this support here was the problem. Yeah, I shouldn't have doubled in here because hey. Let's see how this 30-minute candle will close. Yeah, I might close more, another 50%, because I don't like it. Yeah. Let's fast forward a bit. that's okay. We're not losing much anyway. And that's also the opening of the London Open. So if this closes above this area, we are going in, but only if it closes close. Like, we don't want a big candle. Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. There's always a perfect setup. Okay. There's always a perfect setup. Okay, we can say this was broke. Okay, let's see. See, with risk management, we only lost 0.5%. So that's okay. Instead of losing a whole percent. Let's fast forward this. Let's fast forward this. Okay, there's low momentum here. But still. So here there's times where I'm actually confused. I'm not sure where is the market going. Is it going bearish or bullish, right? Yeah. So I guess what I'll do, I'm not taking sells here, even though it looks very, very tempting to take a sell. To retest here. But I guess it's better if we because we have here also support level. Okay, let's fast forward this. It's moving crazy. Okay, so I guess we're officially going up. Okay, I'll skip this, I'll skip this, I'll skip this. I will wait for a retest. Maybe get in. Yeah. Let's go with 1% this time. We should always let the candle create a bottom wick first to make it a healthy candle. So it should, yes, wick down and then start wicking up. And if it does that, we can do a little dance. It's now New York open, and New York usually create retests. The price, yeah. So let's see where this candle close bearish. So safe to close 50% because it should go exactly where we want it to go. Play. 15-minute candle has closed bearish. It's not good news. Okay, I close half of this again. Yep. Okay. Yeah. I guess the mistake here, but sometimes it works, you see? Sometimes it works. Because the support here. But sometimes it works. Just goes up. So yeah. This looks healthier than this. Okay, half 50%, so it should be here. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's see now. Second day. And we're down 1.5%. It's okay. As long as we don't break this, then we are bullish. That's what I see. Okay. Let's see the daily. Let's delete everything. Daily. Daily is bullish. It's breaking highs, making higher highs so far. The 4-hour. Add a support here. Let's see, 1 hour. Let's see how it will react to this. 30 minutes. Yeah. So let's move this here. So we see a support here that was broken for it to go up. It's broken down. This space is too small for it to take a trade. So we will just let it play. And if it breaks, then we have this range. And if it breaks above this, then we have this range. Yeah, that's it. This is a range that we wouldn't want to mess with. So the strategy is basically price action strategy. That's it. Yeah, I would like it to be bullish here, or create a bullish candle here, because I'm not taking a sell here after all these red candles. So better print a bullish candle here. Or if not, then to go down and go up, retest this resistance, support that became resistance for a possible sell. Okay, it broke it, so we're still in bearish. I'll fast forward this, because I'm not taking any sells here. Fast forward this, yes, and this. Okay, this is tricky. I could take a sell here. I could take a sell here. I'll take 0.5%. Let's see. think we were very late to close this trade. Wait. Yeah. That was already like 2% if we have closed it here. We're an even do break even, right? So I should close it now. Or wait. Let's close 50%. Let's move this. Let's put it to break even. And let's move this take profit to this area. Let's fast forward. Boom. Alright, so our analysis was right. It went down, so it's bearish at the moment. I just waited for the next green and then next red candle to take a sell. I didn't take a full 1% because I was not sure, because it looks like it's pointing up rather than down, so I took 0.5%. I closed half of it, but still we managed to make half of it, so I closed, so I was like risking just $12, right? And I made 50. That's like 4 or 5% if I just let this go on the trade. But that's okay. We're only now less than 0.5% down. Okay, where are we now? So we are at possible resistance here, but support. So if we believe this is going down, I'll just wait for it to go up and then take it down again. Let's fast forward. Up. Trend is still down. Up. You can argue that it broke. Let's see how I will react to it here. Maybe it's just a fake out. Let's check the 15 minutes. Let's fast forward it. Nope. Next 15 minutes. Okay, it's going up. So 30 minutes. I could take a buy here. I don't know why I'm not taking I'm only taking 0.5% trades. Doesn't mean I'm not really believing in the setup. I don't know. Let's see. I just followed the breakout strategy. There's close outside. It was a bit too late actually. It was supposed to be here, but that's okay. Let's fast forward this. Okay. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. That's where I close 50%. Yeah. Again, why would I go up, right? Yeah, I'll close this. Went back into the range, and I'm going with 1% sell. That will be it today. It's a flat. Wait, because it's a flat bottom. That's it. That's the only reason. And usually flat bottom can flip the other way. But if it goes up and flips back down, it has to create the wick first. Hey, you forgot the wick. Yes. You owe me a wick. Because most candles should have a wick, right? So let's see. Okay, now break the lower. Yes, now break the. Boom. I think it did, right? Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll put the other half. Sell. Put it here. Yes. Leave this there. Yes. Accept, and I will change the stop loss of the first one and move it right there. Now I'm not really risking anything here. And play. You can go if you want to go. All right. Okay. That was unexpected. And now it will go where? It's confused. Price is confused. Alright, so even if we got longs from here, we would have been stopped out. I don't know. This looks like it broke this support and it's retesting and going down. So our trade is not a mistake based on the strategy. We're still 1% down. It's still okay. Okay, so she's going down. Wait. That was so easier here. Now it broke up. Broke higher. Should have went even higher, but went down to this resistance, then went up to this lower low. So we're still in a bearish move here. Right, look at the daily. It's bearish. The 4 hours. The 4 hours could come and do, because it's making lower lows, right? The next one should go up a bit to create the wick and then go down. So this is our plan on the 30 minutes. Should wait for it to go up and then go down. Well, that's what we believe in now. So we will wait. Let's check on the 4 hours. Because anyway, look, here's a... Okay, we have the support here, okay, and we have resistance there, and another one there. So and we have this here as well. It's really messy. But let's play. Let's look at the 4 hour. How will it look like? Yeah, it's created the wick. Let's check here. Yeah, it's still a support. I cannot take sell. Let's look on the left hand side. Yeah, we have a lot of space for it to go down. So only after it crosses here. Right, let's see. I'm still not taking sales. I'm not taking sales. Good thing we did not take sales. Let's wait for red. Yeah. Now let's erase everything. It's going down. Let's put this here just as reference. Yes. Okay, this is 30 minutes. This is 15 minutes. I'll take a sell here. And another sell when the 30 minutes closes. Okay. 30 minutes is 5 simulation minutes away. Wait for me, wait for me. Let's fast forward it. Boom. Let's check 30 minutes. Still remember that it looks exactly like the one we saw last time. I'll keep the 0.5% on. Yes, once it breaks, then we get in. Yeah, I'm going in. With the second let's see. Okay, good call. It's breaking the lows. It's creating lower lows. Minute candle have closed bearish. Yep. And then the next one. The 1 hour is still open. Oh. Okay, we're closing 50%. So we close one of them. Right. Yeah, we need to manage risk. closing this too. This is not easy price action. It's not an easy price action. I mean, what would you do here? $30 has closed. I mean, I don't know, really. We're down 1.8%. So if we're not sure, we can, because it's probably going down here. And if we're not sure, then there's no need to risk, right? We just need to look for the perfect setups. What we can see here is a clue. And there's also a clue. Let's fast forward this. Or I've seen this before and I said that I will not take trades, impulse entry. This one peaked outside. Yeah, this one should be valid. Okay, let's do 1% sell above this candle. This candle makes more sense. Okay. It's also London open, so it should move the price. Hopefully outside of the box of the zone. Let's fast forward this. It should reject and go down. Yeah. We could do something a little dense. Could put 0.5% sell. And we'll put it right there. Okay. I'll put this here. And not enough margin. What? Wait. Can I first do this first? Yeah, put this here. Add. And take another cell. This also here. This there. Is it okay? Scheiße. Okay, let's do 25%. Quarter percent then. What do you mean? Can I do half percent and half? Alright, let's just play it then. Should we fast forward? Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Do we have any supports or resistance here, or is it clear? Yeah. Okay, let's close it when it reaches here. That's not good. Less risk. Okay. Less risk, less. Even if we get stopped out, it's fine. We're managing risks. So all these losses, we only lost 2%. Okay, so it's just doing. So now we have this here and this there. It's ranging. How many trades we took? We took 2, right? So we will stop here. Even though I feel like this is an opportunity here. Yeah. 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 Exactly. 100 points, 200, that's like 2.5%. Could have been in the green. But we are sticking to our plan. Even though I got a lot of losses, so I had even, I mean, at least a percent to risk as well, because I've got a lot. I've lost less, so I still could afford to do that. But that's okay. I'm not taking trades, even though it's a Wednesday and it will keep going down. Okay, so we got 2 more days. What? Sorry guys, I did not download the whole thing. So yeah, we will end the video here. And I will go through all of this, take screenshots of everything, and understand why, or if there was any way to make less, or to lose less, or to make more profit. Like for example here I shouldn't have taken this sell because it's a flat bottom, so usually you don't trade that. When it went up, but okay, that was it. That was already too late here. This was the candle for us to go up. And then back here, yeah, we got a win here. And why didn't, yeah, I closed this, yeah. I remember I had like a quarter trade in here, but I closed it, but it still went our way. So this could have been worked as well, but it's also tricky, very tricky. Yeah. And here, why are we on the 1 hour? Yep, yep. Yeah, this is, yeah. And this made sense to sell here, right? And we did that, I think. But yeah, I closed it here because I wasn't sure if it was gonna go up. Would have won. And our last opportunity was on the 15 minutes was this one. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed or learned something in this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Or actually, you know what? We could still keep going. So it's Thursday, right? We're still gonna trade Thursday, and remember that we were down 2%. I'll just end this session. Yeah, I'll take screenshots from the video. I'll just end this session. New simulation. IO last. And then no, cancel this one. Data center update. Yeah, and then we repeat the last 2 days, right? So let's here start it from Thursday. Don't ask me why it's called Masukas. I mean, there's a reason, yeah, but... Alright, so we're down 2%, let's remember that. Let's go to sessions. Next. Yeah. Daily is bearish. The 4 hours is... Where is the 4 hours? It's also bearish. Let's wait for a upper wick and then we can write it down. If it's going to go down, right? So we have a support here, a resistance here, and a support there. And do we have anything on the left hand side? I think this is exactly where... Okay, and then the next one is right there. And the next one is right there. Let's put this here. Yeah. Just ranges for us to know for how long should we write it. So there's also the little support here. So the price came, broke support, created as a resistance. This is a strong resistance. Went down, broke it again, this resistance, and we're here. But also broke it up again. So this is like ranging now at the moment. Let's see what can be done here. So I'll basically wait for it to break and close here to take sell, or or break and close here so I can take this buy. Yeah, I think this makes most sense. Yeah, let's see, we can fast forward this. Okay, nothing. I was thinking of selling here, but no, we said that after a breakout. Boom. Okay, we will not sell now. I would like it to create a resistance here first. Also, the range is too small now. Let's check on the 15 minutes. Boom. Man, should have waited for us. Should have waited for us to jump in. What now? That's too much, of course, to put a stop loss 400 points away. So let's wait and see a retest here. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. 30 minutes is finished here. Okay, wait. 30 minutes, still too big. Too big. What do we do now? It's rejecting the resistance. Okay, okay, that's good. So far, so good. If it breaks its own low, then we can get in. But I would like it to close and then form another bearish candle for the range to be big enough. 3, 5, 4, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, boom. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. It's very tricky. Let's wait for a red candle here to take a sell. Whoop, hold on. Hold on. This is risky to go while it's still on. But I will put stop loss. Yeah, I don't know if this is the best, but we don't want to miss it again, right? Let's put it there. Let's put this up a little bit more. Let's check 30 minutes. Let's make it slower. 30 minutes is, yeah. Could be all part of the upper wick. 30 minutes is closing in 3 simulation minutes. Yeah. 15 minutes. 15 minutes has closed bearish. Alright, bearish. That's good. That's good for us. That means 30 minutes is also bearish. And here we go. Let's check the 15 minutes. I'll fast forward this. That's good. We could. Okay, let's check the 4 hours. Clear range, 30. Yeah, so what we can do now is move the stop loss just a bit. Yeah, here's good. Now we're only risking like 0.5%. That's fine. We're only up 1%. Should we fast forward as far as forth from here? Okay. Okay, that's not good. But this is good. Hey. Should we close it now? We are. Let's slow this down. Right, so I guess we can close it here, and that means we are like just half percent. Let's check the 5 minutes. Yeah, that's still big. And yeah, I'll just close it, but without closing it, I'll try something visually where I can move this, put it here. Yeah, I'll probably close it here, but I'm just testing something. Boom. Yeah. Okay. We'll go down. Went up. It's a good thing that we close it. Perfect. 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 Flat head, so there's no cells here. This could be a possible sell actually. So the price went down, broke this support, and now in it again. We could take a sell here. No, we don't need this. We could take a sell here. But no, I'll wait for the next day maybe. Or if it wicks up and breaks this, then maybe we can take a sell. Let's see, 30 minutes. Still open. 15 minutes. Where's your wick? You're a wickless. Mm-hmm. Five, four, three, two. Okay, we can fast forward this. 30 minutes. Close above resistance. Yeah. Okay, I'm not taking this one anyway. Yes. Okay. Now it's too late. Okay. Now the last day. Okay, so we're only minus 0.5%. Pre-London is making lower lows, even though here, let's check the daily. Daily is, yeah, it's tricky. It is tricky. The 4 hours is creating lower lows, so it looks like we're going down, but the 4 hours is creating this. Yeah, it looks like we're going down. So on the 30 minutes, the plan is, let's erase everything and then do this clean chart, support, resistance. All we want is, how big is this? Check, 150. Not bad. If it creates a, if it goes up here, touches here, and creates a red bearish candle where you can take a sell. We can, because we're overall bearish on the price. Okay, the 15 minutes has closed bearish, right? Yeah. I think it's safe to say that we can go down. Usually trust the half an hour, the 30 minutes candle more than the 15 minute candle. So it still didn't close bearish. Okay. We'll probably lose this, yes. Next candle, yeah. See, at the beginning we said we wanted to touch here first, right? Now we can take the sale. Okay, this is the last trade today. Ooh, what is that? I mean, like, how come in 1 second? Must be news. How is it possible? Really, how is it possible? What? I mean, it went where we were planning for it to go, but this is crazy. Okay, that's crazy. Okay. All right, thank you for watching. So I guess we were down 2% now. Wait. No, 2% and half, I guess. All right, thank you for watching. Let me know what you want me to speak about or talk or mention in the next videos. Thank you.